Okay, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Anthony, and Anthony is here for his hair transplant today. We're doing a Hue procedure. Anthony, tell us, first of all, how old are you, sir?
35.
35. And when did you notice hair loss? What age?
About 27. I noticed a little receding right about here.
Okay. And then it's progressively just kind of worked its way back.
Since then, yeah.
Okay.
It's getting bigger.
All right. And then how did you find out that hair transplants were an option even? Tell us about your research.
I guess I started looking around kind of online. I heard some celebrities having done it, and it was like, well, how much is that if a celebrity's doing it?
Right.
And over the years, it's gotten a little bit cheaper, and I found some good options.
Excellent, excellent. And I understand the videos helped you out on our website, and that's one of the reasons you wanted to do the video today, to sort of help other people as they're making their decision process. So
definitely, kind of not knowing anyone personally that's done this, kind of hearing it from people that have done it was a nice option.
Awesome. So. And I'm going to pan up, and I'll put some pictures on the website, but you can see that his frontal hairline is receded, and I'm going to talk to Anthony about some preventative treatments, as we do with all our patients. And again, they're optional treatments, but there is, as you can see, there's still a lot of hair up there that could potentially be saved. You can see that his crown's getting a little thin as well. And we're going to talk to him about that stuff. But are you nervous, excited, a little bit of both?
Definitely a little bit of both.
Okay. It's going to be a nice, easy day today. We're going to be checking in throughout your surgery day today, and thank you for sharing your story.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. Awesome. Okay, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Anthony, and Anthony has just finished his Hue procedure, his strip procedure. And overall, Anthony, how was the day today?
Actually, very easy. I did none of the work and no pain whatsoever.
Yeah, I think you even fell asleep for a couple minutes here and there. So overall, nice, enjoyable day. We had a lot of good conversation, and I'm just going to show people what we did. So basically, you can see the new hairline all the way across, nice and staggered. You can see how that's going to reframe his forehead in such a better way than it was before. That frontal third or frontal half is really where we focused. And then we do have some additional grafts left over for the back. So Anthony, thanks again for showing your story and sharing it with someone. I'm sure someone will be able to relate to you and help them in their research. Anything you would say to people on the fence about, or people that are super nervous about having a hair transplant? I mean, was it scary?
Very easy process. I'm very happy I did it even right after. So,
yeah, cool, awesome. Well, thank you again, and we'll be following up with you.
Thank you so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.